Good morning, lovies. Welcome to World History 102. My name is Stephanie Allen, and this is going to be a really brief introduction to how to navigate your Blackboard course shell. So, first things first, again, my name is Stephanie Allen. I'm going to be your instructor for the duration of the semester, and we are covering World History 102. So the first thing you should understand is that this is an asynchronous course. Because this is an asynchronous course, that means that we will never meet at a specific time. Everything is done online. So your lectures are online, your book quizzes are online, exams, and other writing assignments. Everything is going to be found within the Blackboard course shell. Again, because we do not meet either synchronously through Blackboard Collaborate or Zoom, and we don't meet in a classroom, it's going to be imperative, very important, that you create a schedule for yourself and hold yourself accountable so you can submit these assignments on time. 102 is a course where you could easily get bogged down with the amount of information if you don't manage your time well. So at the start of the class, go ahead and create a schedule so you can manage your time wisely and be successful in this course. So as you navigate this course shell, the first thing you should do is go to the Getting Started button. From there, again, it explains what an asynchronous course is, but it also tells you the first things that you should do in this course. One of the first things you're going to do is you're going to take the Syllabus Quiz. The Syllabus Quiz is going to be used to verify your attendance. It's going to be found over here under the Syllabus tab, and we'll talk about that after I finish this portion of the introduction. So your textbook is entitled Traditions and Encounters, a Brief Global Edition. Here is the ISBN number. You are not required to purchase a textbook for this course. You are more than welcome to utilize copies of a textbook that I will have on reserve through the AAMU library. So chapters will go up in units. So our first exam covers chapters 19, 20, and 21. So 19, 20, and 21 will be available for the duration of Unit 1 on AAMU Library eReserve page. Here is the login information. Please give it a couple of days getting started into the semester before you start looking for the units being uploaded. After we finish Unit 1, those chapters will fall off. They will never be seen again, and then Unit 2 will go up. All right. Minimum tech requirements. This is an online class. So at minimum, you should have a laptop or a computer, and you should have reliable internet sources. All right, so now let's talk about the syllabus quiz. So here's your syllabus. It's the blue link. You're going to click the blue link and the syllabus will pop up. And here is your syllabus quiz. Syllabus quiz is required for attendance verification. That's how your financial aid is distributed based on your attendance verification for your various classes. Complete the syllabus quiz after you have thoroughly read the syllabus. Reminder, once you click begin, the quiz will deploy. You may not exit the quizzes. So this goes for any book quiz and any exam. Once you click begin, it's going to deploy and you must complete the assignment. You cannot go out, even though it says, well, I have 45 minutes left. No, it's a continuous 45 minutes. You cannot exit the quiz. Let's talk about these modules. So what's in a module, Miss Allen? Modules are the equivalent of you attending my class in a face-to-face class. So you have your learning outcomes. We have key terms and concepts. Those should kind of guide our reading and outlining. And then we have micro lectures. So this first micro lecture is set up around chapter 19. It introduces us to the age of reconnaissance, or The Age of Exploration and Vasco da Gama. Micro lectures range between 5 and 10 minutes, and it's designed so you can pop in, get a portion of lecture, and maybe go do something else. That way you're not just sitting here listening to an hour and 30-minute lecture in one sitting. This allows you to break up the lectures over the course of your week if that's how you choose to do it. So, within each module, learning outcomes, key terms, your micro lectures, and of course, you have a book quiz. Once you click launch, the exam will deploy. You cannot leave and come back. Okay? Exams. So modules are always going to be the same. Same setup, same key terms, concepts, learning outcomes, and lecture. So there are your micro lectures. They're always there. And of course, your chapter 20 book quiz. Not every chapter is going to have a book quiz. And the book quiz due dates and exam dates are listed on this important due dates page. Okay. Office hours are listed here. You have guided chapter outlines that stop at chapter 26, because by then I'm expecting you as my 102 people to know how to outline on your own. These kind of just guide you into outlining. What else? Exams. So exams are not posted under the modules tab. Instead, because exams include more than one chapter, they're posted under their own tab, and it's entitled exams. Again, once you click begin, this exam is going to deploy. You may not exit the exam. If you exit, it's automatically going to submit your assignment for a grade. All right, lovies, I think that is it. Again, make sure you complete the syllabus quiz posted under the syllabus tab. Make sure you adhere to these important due dates. So I've decided that for this semester, because like these assignments are assigned well in advance and you know the deadlines for the due dates, I've decided that if you fail to submit the assignments by the deadline, you'll have 1 week from the day you miss in order to submit that book quiz. You will automatically incur a 50% point penalty. For exams are posted again well in advance, and they are made available well in advance. So your failure to submit the first exam by the 4th of February is going to result in a 20-point penalty automatically. All right, lovies, so this is the conclusion of our brief introduction to World History 102. I hope that you are having a great day. I'm looking forward to having a great semester. I love you unconditionally, and go Bulldogs.